Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential function. Let's solve it together. The exponential function f is defined by f of x equals a times e to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants. The table gives values of f of x at selected values of x. Which of the following statements is true? X values are given 0 through 4 and the y values are given 5 through 80. So to solve this kind of questions, we're going to use the given data and we will just find the values of a and b. Let's use the first given data, f0. When x is 0, we're just going to substitute 0 for the x in the function wherever we see x. So that equals 5. So b to the power of 0 is 1. So a times 1 is a. So therefore a is 5. So what about the b? To find the value of b, I'm going to use the second data. f1 is equals to a times b to the power of 1, which is going to be giving us 10. We know the value of a is 5. 5 times b is 10. So if you will divide both sides by 5, and you will get b as 2. So we found the value of b and a. Let's take a look at the choices then. The c and a cannot be the answer. The answer is either b or d. So as x values are increasing, the y values are increasing, right? So because of that, this decay means it goes down. It's just like inverse. Over here it's a growth, so because of that, the correct answer is choice B for this question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.